Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Zone of Progress. So today we'll talk how to create an intro in an Android device. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So I have shown various ways to create the intro by different ways. So you can see some samples of the intros. Asking for subscribe banner. And the last one. The last one, I want to use sound. So open your device and open Play Store and search for Pixel Flow. So I'm going to search Pixel Flow and install it. This is the app, and another one is TEXTRO. So they install this app also, and then after there is video crop and edit. Search there, and this crop and trim will come. Let it install, and then after that last one is hype text, animated text and intro maker, and just install it too. And after installing these 4 apps, hype text and those other 3, just start to the video. So see, first of all you need to open TEXTRO. All these apps are designed for making intro and outro. So I'm going to write the name of my channel, Zone of Progress, and then click on play button. So it is asking for permission of a storage, and now click on create text video. Then after click there, that will landscape your video, and now you can see different options. So just select all the proper design which you like the most. So I'm going to choose it. Just wait for a while. So I have choose. You can see different designs are there. I can say this design is there, this design is there. So now I'm going to select the background. So you can click on there and just click on this, and you can see different options are available here also. You can see let me test few of them. Okay, so now click on fonts and select the proper font for you. I can see different options and fonts are available also. So let me select the proper one. So check it. So I like this design. So I'm going to remove the watermark. So click on watermark and just click on their cross, and it is asking for watch ad. So I'm going to watch it. So just you need to watch also. After watching the ad, just click on cross, and this will redirect to there. Just click on cross, and now finally just you can click on tick mark. So it is saying saving video. You can also do one thing, that is add music. So I want to add it. Sorry for that. You can see I can add music by there. Let me show you. Let me go back. Okay, there is music option. You can click on music and select different music from there. So I'm going to not select any music. I don't have enough time. You can select the music also. So now let's go to hype text. So I have listened some music. So now we are going to do some amazing stuff. This is one piece of intro. You can make other intro in another app, that is hype text. So after opening the hype text, just wait a while and let the themes reload. So you can see different themes are there. So I'm going to click on social and search for that intro wala one. So there is, I can see here. So I'm going to click there. So as I click, it is saying I'm downloading. It's ready to download the complete stuff. So now finally it has downloaded. Click on allow. Okay, so as I'll click on allow, it is showing this. So I need to select a background, so I'm going to select background from there. Okay, it is BIP, so I'm going to cross. I'm going to select a free background. So this is good. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, so now there is landscape. So 16:9. Create animation. Okay. Then after, see, you need to select the space out of it so that we can crop this and this hypertext will not come in our video. So I'm going to place it properly so that hypertext won't come after cropping this. So this is a good place, I can crop from there. So now I'm going to click on edit and select a logo for my channel, and then after I'm going to select my logo. You can see this, just click on tick. Okay, so it has gone there. Now click on that text and just change the first text to zone of progress. Okay, I have given my channel name. Now select the proper font. So I'm going to select a proper font for my channel. Okay, I like this font. Now for coloring, again I'm going to choose custom color and different options from there. Okay, so I like this one. Okay, now I'm going to fix something more, so just wait. Okay, so now I have fixed. I'm going to click on tick. Alright, so now now we are going to add music. So I'm going to click on music, and then after select the proper fonts, then you can see, oh, this is the VIP one, so I need to select other. Okay, so I have selected this. Alright, so this is a good music. I'm going to download it, and now just wait. Alright, let's game, just see how it feels like, sounds like. Alright, so I think it is a good one. So now I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to click on background. Click on background, you can see there is this. Okay, so you need to just do less, and you can see there upper there line is there, so we need to fix the time that the line will be same as that of the background. So just wait. Alright, so now I think this is a good one. So now let's check how it is. So perfect. Now I'm going to save it. So just click there and 1080p and export. Okay, so just wait to export. So alright, this is exported. Now just, so alright, now we will go in TEXTRO. So just open the app TEXTRO. So I'm going to open the app TEXTRO. Okay, so this is the app TEXTRO. Okay, so you can see different designs there. So I'm going to select a proper design for my intro. So let me select one. Okay, so I think this is a good one. Okay, so I'm going to use it. Alright, so it is asking to download, so we need to click on just download. So we'll click, it will download. Alright, so now you need to change there, type your channel's name there. So I'm going to type my channel's name, the zone of progress. Okay, so now there is something, so I'm going to give the logo empowering you. Okay, so now you can set these things as of your requirements. So I'm going to set them, and this is for the coloring. You can see. Alright, you can change the size, you can move the position. Just see with what is happening. We will arrange in such a way that we can crop the made with pixel flow. Okay, so you need to keep that in mind. Alright, so I'm going to change these things. I'm going to click on change the fonts. You can see these fonts. Yes, I don't like this. Let's check other. Good, this one is also good. Okay, alright, so I think this position is perfect for it now. So now see, just when I am going to change the background of it. So you can see different backgrounds, and they are locked. They are only available for VIP. So I have selected one, and now just see something editing. You can also edit by using that app. So finally I think this is good, so I'm going to export it. Okay, so 1080p. What happened here? Okay, we can add music over here also, but I'm going to export in 1080p. So just wait and let's see what time it takes. Okay, so finally it has completed. Now we know in all those apps except TEXTRO there is background. So we now at watermark. So now we're going to crop them. So I'm using video file and okay, selecting that, and you can so you can see that there is hypertext. We are going to select landscape and then after crop it. Okay, so now let's see what I've cropped the hypertext. Now let's play it. So I think perfect now. That hypertext is not showing. So click on tick and it will take some time and it will crop your video. So in this way you can make your intro in different ways and you can save them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then like this video and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.